In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify email in Pocket Broker. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left inside your account, so open up the app and sign in and tap on the profile icon top left. And now from here you can see a bunch of options. You want to tap on profile over here, which is the third tab. So tap on profile, and then from here you want to tap on profile again. And if your email has not been called email verification. So what you have to do is simply tap on continue over here, and then as you can see, it's going to basically take you over here where it says email, and then there's your email up there, and it says unverified. So in my case, I've already sent the verification email, but of course, I can tap on resend, but for you, you'll be able to send the verification email. So I'm just going to tap on the resend over here, and it's going to resend that email, okay? There we go. And now whenever you do that, you have to check your email inbox. I'm going to go to my inbox, and I do have my verification over here. All you have to do from there is simply tap on a green button inside that email, which is going to say verify email. And whenever you do this, it's going to take you back, and it's going to say your email has been successfully verified. So to actually kind of update this, you want to go back like that. And now I'm going to just refresh essentially to show you that it's actually verified. If I go back to my profile and then profile again, my account should now be verified. There we go. As you can see, it has a green verified badge, which means that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.